Hi guys, it's another day, another makeup tutorial. In this video, I'm using Calamine lotion as my primer, and then I go in with Maybelline Superstay Luminous Foundation. I love this particular foundation. Next, we go in with Essence Baby Got Bronze Lips and Cheek, and the Baby Got Bronze bronzing stick to just give back warmth to the face. You know, I also like to contour the hanging part of my eyelids just to like pull back that hanging skin and make sure the eyes get lifted by the time I apply concealer. So go ahead and blend. Blending is key, guys. Blending. I don't know how much I can talk about this, because if you just apply all of this but you don't blend, your face will look patchy and everything will just look anyhow. That's why you need to take time to blend. Apply little product and focus on blending. Now it's time to highlight. These are the two concealers I'm going in. We have Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer and the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. So I start off by applying the Essence Camouflage one, and then I use the L'Oreal one, just a little bit, the lighter shade, on the innermost corners of my eyes to help snatch my nose and also brighten that on my under eyes. Then I go ahead and blend it in, starting from this part down. I make sure that I give that face and the eyes a lift. Just look at the way I'm blending, upward, making sure that we are lifting the face and lifting the eyes, of course. So that is just how you do it. I hope I'm explaining well. Just like that, I adjust my nose contour again and eliminate every harsh line by blending everything. Then I go in with mattifying powder from Essence, set my under eyes first before I go in with translucent loose setting powder, still from Essence, to bake my under eyes. I'm just going to allow this to sit under my eyes while I do my eyebrows and eyeshadow. Just like that, nothing too hefty, nothing too much. So for all this while that I've been doing makeup, I've come to realize that this is the best time when doing your makeup to do the brows, because tell me how I get to do my brows in less than 10 minutes. Yes, less than 10 minutes. If I am to do my eyebrows first before the rest of the face, I would take more time. But if I do it after face work, it takes me less time. Okay, that's aside. Let's continue with the eyeshadow. I go ahead and just apply some of that concealer to prep my eyelids, and then I apply brown or any dark shade, and then highlight the inner corners with a brighter shade. As you can see, I'm using Portia M eyeshadow palette and one other random palette I got from Shein. And then I use this eyeliner, I also get it from Shein, to just line my eyes. Look at how those eyes are snatched. And also this water liner, I got it from Shein as well. Even this mascara. At this point, I go in with this Fit Me setting powder to dust off the excess powder under my eyes and also set the rest of my face. And then I apply some Wet n Wild powder blush on my cheeks and just even out everything with my powder. And I apply also this Wet n Wild highlighter on the nose and my cheeks. And now we go ahead to do the lips. Line it and then go in with this lipstick. I also got it from Shein. And my lip gloss. And of course, that is the finished look. Setting spray from Maybelline New York. We spray it. And that is it, guys. Just take a good look. See how the face is snatched. Thank you all for watching.